Several Ascension St. Vincent hospitals are still trying to recover from a cyber attack. Cyber criminals have attacked so many Hoosier hospitals. So tonight at 5:30, we want to take a closer look at healthcare cybersecurity.
Our Karen Campbell sat down with the CEO of Johnson Memorial Health. They face a devastating cyber attack 2 years ago and now shares lessons learned and also some of the ongoing challenges in this ever-increasing vulnerable digital world.
Johnson Memorial Hospital in Franklin, Indiana is still in recovery mode 2 years after hackers crippled their system.
It was a very difficult time.
CEO and President Dr. David Dunkel says nurses and doctors forced to go old school, using pen and paper instead of computers and technology to help meet patients' needs.
You know, you have to have a nurse in the bedside at your ICU. You can't centrally monitor vital signs. So it was all hands on deck.
Hackers gained access to the hospital system at 10:31 p.m. on a Friday in October. Ransomware deployed in less than 2 minutes. The hospital's IT department detected abnormal activity less than 10 minutes later. At 10:45, the system was shut down and would later impact patients and the hospital's costs for cyber insurance.
We're still suffering again from higher insurance rates because of our attack. Then, you know, we pay more than our peers, our same size peers do, because we've had an attack.
In recent years, Community Health, Franciscan, Eskenazi, IU Health, Schneck, and now Ascension, all victims of attacks.
We're a smaller organization, 950 employees. I can't imagine, you know, these large organizations. We see what Ascension's going through right now. My heart breaks for them because I've been there, I've lived it.
Learning what he can to help prevent another attack.
The thing that's scary is you see all these hospitals that are attacked nationwide is you can be hypervigilant. You can spend millions in cybersecurity. We do education. We send, fake emails to make sure employees don't click on them. We do education every 2 weeks with our employees, and still you worry.
Worry that operations could be shut down at any given moment. Dunkel says, thankfully, pertinent data wasn't lost. Johnson Memorial Health continues to recover financially from that 2021 cyber attack, and they are back to normal operations. But Dunkel says that patient safety remains the top priority. In Johnson County, Karen Campbell, 13 News.
The Indiana Hospital Association tells 13 News 30 hospitals were victims of cyber attacks between 2010 and 2023.